Yo, there are 4 reasons why you guys should not buy the LG G3 yet, and here's why. Now, right now, the 55-inch version that I have up here behind me costs literally $2,400. And to be honest, man, that is not a cheap TV by any means. In my opinion, I do think the price is set right for what you guys are getting out of this TV. Let me tell y'all, one hack when it comes to buying TVs is you never really want to actually get them as soon as they come out. The best time to buy new TVs is going to be somewhere around the November, December holiday time frame. This is when majority of TVs is going to be going on sale, and that's when you want to go ahead and scoop them bad boys up. Or, you know, you can still go look at some of the older models, because I bet this TV right here is literally going to be somewhere between $200 to $500 off during that time frame. And I'll go ahead and make sure I link for you guys down below where you guys can actually purchase this TV, because this is going to give you guys the best price possible. Even if you guys don't want to spend this amount for it, I really think that having a look at something like the C2 or the C3 still is probably going to be a solid option for you. The Gallery or G series LG TVs are literally mainly meant for you guys to mount this TV to a wall to give your space like that seamless, just clean look, right? Yes, you guys can put this on a stand like I have here, that's right here behind me, and it's gonna work just fine. And if you guys are interested in this stand here, which is a good stand, and plus it's $50 cheaper than what LG stand and what they selling, I'll have that link for you guys down in the description section below, as well as the pinned comment. But I felt like the TV really shines best when it's mounted up against the wall because of its slim design and form factor. And to me, when you guys have it up on the wall with a soundbar underneath, it's just a clean look, man. I would say get this TV here when you pretty much have a dedicated space for it, whether it's gonna be up on a wall or it's gonna be sitting on a nice TV stand. All right, so reason number 2 has to be the unknown stability of this new MLA technology. So in short, MLA technology is tiny micro lenses that literally sit on top of each individual pixel on the screen that allows the picture quality to get brighter in image quality. Well, here's the downside to that, right? MLA technology, although so far I can't front, MLA on this TV, that technology that LG got going, is fire. But by it being so new, we don't really know what the results will be with this over a long period of time. Like, for example, how will this monitor perform over time, since there's literally no heat sink available to help with keeping the internals of this TV cool from overheating? This could potentially cause the display to be dimmer over time. Now, I'm not saying that this is something that's going to happen, but right now it hasn't been out really long enough to be able to really give MLA Tech a full step of approval just yet. But I'll definitely be doing my updates on this TV throughout the year, so definitely make sure you guys are subbed to the channel so that way you guys can stay up to date on it. All right, so the reason number 1 is older models at this time is just much more affordable. And in my opinion, it is a good idea to just shop around the market to possibly find last year's model, which would be just as good and worth to take a look. A lot of previous year models have a lot to offer, guys, like great picture quality, audio quality, good gaming features that are literally just as good as the newer ones. Plus, it's gonna help, you know, put some money back into your pockets. Honestly, man, I would still recommend the LG C2, and I'm pointing over here because that's where the TV is sitting, because I think it's a great TV, even in 2023. Although this video here talks about the reasons why you guys should not buy this TV right here, here's 5 reasons why you guys should buy this TV, and you can check that out right here.